All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2019 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive with 135,000 miles, folks. Original Highway Patrol State Trooper take-home vehicle. This was a slick top Highway Patrol State Trooper vehicle. Original silver from factory. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape to go anywhere across the states. The paint looks very sharp, very shiny. Does have very small amount of scratches. No door dings. I could not see any door dings on this bad boy. Once again, vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. Vehicle does have fresh new window tint that is going to be 20% all around, not too dark, not too light. Perfect color combination for this vehicle. Vehicle does have 3 antennas on the roof, 2 antennas on the trunk lid. Those are the actual antennas. Once again, they are not up, they are just there for looks. The vehicle does look very official, looks very legit. Vehicle does have factory backup sensors, backup camera, blind spot sensors, and it does have the defrost side view mirrors. Just so you know, everything does work, folks. Before I forget, I gotta tell you that the rear bumper cover and front bumper cover were repainted. Why were they repainted? The rear bumper cover on the rear right, when they were removing the decals right here, they peeled on the bumper too hard and they damaged the bumper cover. Okay, so I went ahead and took it to my detail corrections to my paint shop and had them do it. So the vehicle, folks, by far looks all new all over again. All 4 steel wheels, folks, they're nice and gloss black. The vehicle, when she first got in, she came with the full wheel covers. Those are taken out, thrown in the trash, and I do the wheel conversion to the small chrome dog dishes, as you guys can see. Okay, in order for me to do so, I do have to give you a fresh new set of lug nuts, OEM lug nuts, in order for those dog dishes to snap in place. That's about a $600 conversion right there alone, folks. Vehicle does have 1 working spotlight. Everything does work in the vehicle, folks. Front bumper cover was repainted, reconditioned. Why did I do the front bumper cover? Because he had road hazard damage. Yes, the paint was peeling. He had all these little dots in the front. I didn't like the way it looked. So, as particular as I am, folks, I also ordered the front bumper cover to get reconditioned, repainted. So guess what? The vehicle does look all new all over again. With that being said, the vehicle does have a new set of headlights along with new light bulbs. I went with the Sylvania XHE light bulbs, which are a little bit brighter, especially if you're driving at night on dark, lonely roads. That's what you want to have. Tires are in great shape. Thankfully, I didn't have to replace tires from the department. Those are going to be the Goodyear Eagles Enforcers 225/60/18, folks. No tires were needed. There you guys have it. These are the actual antennas, folks. So if you need to drive your car to an express car wash, don't worry, these antennas are gonna stay put. They are not going anywhere. This is the real deal right here. They're not magnetic. Blind spot sensors right here. Defrost right there. Let's go inside, folks, and show you what we got to work with. Vehicle does have a leather rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vehicle does have vinyl plastic floor in mint conditions, folks. These are the wheels. There you guys have it. The vehicle does have new dog dishes. The dog dishes are new. I ran out. Mint door panels. Sorry, mint conditions. Driver's side seat is in perfect shape. Passenger side seat is in perfect shape. Vehicle also does have a new use OEM center console and wire harness, okay, in order for everything to work right there. Hopefully I don't have to move. I don't. She's got it. Thank you. Oh, she got it. I don't have to move. Okay, vehicle does have a new use center console, folks. I bought that on eBay. I put it together for you. So you do have an armrest, you do have cup holders, you do have a cigarette lighter, and auxiliary connection inside the glove box. How it works: working cruise control. The vehicle does have working factory Bluetooth, so you can go ahead and connect your vehicle through the you can go ahead and connect your phone to the vehicle. Before I forget, vehicle did come with 6 key fobs. I'm only using one right now. So buyer takes all. You are gonna take 6 key fobs. All right, let's go inside. Let's fire her up. Let me clean this up here for you. Boom, there you go. Secure park off. All pressure lights are off. Vehicle does have 135,000 miles with 23. I'm sorry, can you guys see that? My eyes are failing. I'm getting old. Folks, I am sorry. This is what happens. Oh, even worse. Are you serious? Okay, how about now? Alright folks, vehicle does have 135,000 miles. I don't know why my camera is not cooperating right now. Oh my goodness. This is not hard. Alright, 135,000 miles with 23 idle hours. For 2,300 idle hours. I'm sorry. I couldn't get my camera. That's it, I'm fired. I'm so fired. Guys, I'm sorry. There's gonna be a clear picture on my eBay, but this is as good as I got it to show up. Working cruise control, everything works. You get the bigger screen here, folks. Super cold air conditioner, heater does work. Everything does work in this vehicle, okay? All right, I wasted like a minute here trying to show you. Try to get this camera to focus in. Oh, sorry. Working spotlight. Sorry, guys. Unity light bulb on this one, so it does work. Sorry. Red LED does work. White LED does work. Everything does work in this vehicle, folks. Once again, I do apologize. I lost a minute here trying to focus on the odometer for you guys to see. This is the trunk. Vehicle does have a Goodyear RSA tire, 225/60/18, and I do have the lock boxes in the trunk. Buyer takes all. The tray table does come out and comes back in, locks in place. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. All right. I'm gonna try to step it up. Full LED on the rear. Everything does work. So that's a license plate bulb. Beautiful paint, folks. Very minimal amount of scratches. Once again, this was a highway patrol unit, not a city patrol vehicle. Here are the lights. I'm gonna try to hurry up here. So starting right to left, vehicle does have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. Vehicle does have a brand new OEM coolant reservoir tank. The old one that came with the car was nice and brown, so it was old. Vehicle does have 16 OEM Mopar Iridium spark plugs. Full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter was done. Transmission was also serviced, and we did use ATF ATF4 fluid and filter by Mopar. Cabin filter is new. Suspension is nice and tight. No funny noises, no funny dings, no funny nothing. She is solid, folks. Belt tension are in good shape. Battery was tested and it was nice and healthy, so I went ahead and left that alone. What else? What else? Let me be quiet here so I can go ahead and no funny ticks, no funny clunks, folks. What you see is what you're gonna get. Wiper blades are also new, folks. Wiper blades are also new. And we got a neighbor going, so of course I know how to do this. Sorry folks, I gotta move out of the way here for my neighbors. Gonna have to finish this up over here as I got 1 minute left. Backup camera works right there. All right, there's a car leaving, it works. Folks, I'm sorry I have to do it here. So if you guys are in the market for a nice working Dodge Charger, fully serviced, fully done, I am your guy, folks. Could you find a cheaper Charger out there? Yes, you can, but it's not gonna be in this condition, folks. Also, before I forget, the drive shaft was replaced due to a bad carrier bearing. Once again, folks, drive shaft was replaced due to a bad carrier bearing. This is it, folks. I'm sorry I wasted a minute trying to focus in on the mileage, but once again, folks, I've set you up for success on another great looking Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive, former Highway Patrol State Trooper vehicle. And I gotta go. I ran out of time. I'm sorry. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend. God bless and take care.